Google Tag Manager is not found in your website. So is this the issue that you are facing right now? So whenever you are previewing, so in this video, I'm gonna share all the tactics that you can do in order to get, Google Tag Manager not found issue to be solved. So first and foremost, you have to, change it. You have to check whether you have put the Google Tag Manager ID. This is a Google GTM4WP plugin through which I have connected Google Tag Manager with my website and have enabled the website. So you have to put the right Google Tag Manager account, or you haven't put it yet. So you have to go and again recheck it. Just copy this one very meticulously and then go over here at the backend of your website and then paste it over here, and then click on save changes, and then you can preview it. And so now we can see that whether this issue has been solved or not. So I'm gonna close them up and give it a moment. On top of that, there are some other reasons for why it is showing that Google Tag Manager is not found in your website. So another thing is, if you have installed the you know ad blockers or anything like that in a VPN, you will see this issue. So you have to remove it and then preview. You will see that it is working. So I have to stop it, and then even if it is not solved, you have to check the whole setup in another Chrome browser or in another browser, and then you will see, if you see that it is working, but in your current tab it is not working, then you have to you know um, delete some of the Chrome extensions, or and then again add it to your Chrome, and then you have to preview it, and you will see like this. Okay, I'm gonna put it over here, and these are common issues, so you have to solve like this. Right now it is connected, right? So as you can see, um, this is connected. So this is how you have to solve your issue. So thank you for watching this video.